Alright guys, it is oil change day. I'm getting ready to do the motorhome. Got all my stuff laying here. Doing a motorhome is exactly like doing a car. If you can change the oil in a car, you can change the oil in a motorhome. It's no different. And then I'm gonna do the bike. It's not really due. It only has 700 miles on it, but when I changed it for the first time, after the break-in was in Florida, and there was no Yamaha or anything close, so I just used some cheap oil from a gas station there. So I'm going to change it, put some good stuff in. So I'm going to get all that stuff done, and then I only got a couple small things I need to do, and we're probably going to get out of Quartzsite. I don't know, maybe a few more days here. We might explore a little bit, a day or two before we take off, because we rode a couple times, but not a whole lot, mainly just to town. Candace just got back in the RZR from doing laundry. We was going to do it here with our machine, but the laundromat up there is pretty cheap, so she just went up there. It was just quicker and easier. And yeah, I don't know where we're going, guys. I have no idea. I mean, we're kind of making our way back towards the Midwest to see family. It'll be warm enough there soon, and then we'll stay there for a little while, and then we're probably gonna start looking into some work camping or something. But I don't know, we'll get to that when we get there. Right now I'm gonna get some oil changed. Alright guys, so I was riding the bike up to town to get a couple things. I stopped at the Love's truck stop. I found this car lot. They have a ton of classic cars. These are all for sale. What caught my eye was this sitting on the corner over here. There's Starsky and Hutch. That is awesome. This little Ford Fairlane is sold. There's an old Buick. That is so cool. Alright, I'm getting out of here.
Hey guys, I also wanted to show you something else I've been working on. We got a new magnet board. Check it out. If you're on that magnet board, you're pretty special to me.
It's all the states.
Yeah, we collect magnets from different places we go. If we find something interesting, we might pick up a magnet. So just our collection that we've gotten started.
And also some channels.
Oh, we have some channels, some friends. I'm sure they've seen it. Yeah. So, yeah.
Alright, last day in Quartzsite. I think I'm getting ready to put the bike up. Only thing I'll have tomorrow is the RZR. I'm going to go up and use their dump station, fill up with water, and we're out of here. I don't know where we're going yet, but not staying here. All right, we're halfway there. Bike's in. It's pretty easy. I always do it by myself. Goes out just as quick. All right, last night in Quartzsite. We're going for our last ride, and it is going to be a night ride in the desert. Yeah. Hope we don't get lost. It's very windy too, but it's usually windy here.
It's really not too cold though.
No, it's not bad. I think we got up to 70 today, but a lot of wind. You want to go, Chloe? Oh, you do not. You would freak out. All right, guys, we are back from our night ride. It's pretty dark. We didn't go anywhere we could get lost. We kind of followed the trail down the highway.
But it was still fun.
Oh yeah, it was still fun. The trail was kind of had some little whoop-de-whoops here and there, and yeah.
The dogs loved it.
Yeah, we got the dogs out. We stopped and got the dogs out and
let them run around.
Let them play a little bit. Annie's on the hunt all the time. That's all Annie can think about. If she smells anything, she's on the hunt. Every time we let her out at the RV, she's up in the bushes. That's all. Right now, that's all she can think about. She's sitting there just watching.
She's concentrating.
Annie, Annie, Annie,
She says,
Annie.
You're gonna scare it.
Annie. See, she ain't paying attention to me. All right, we're gonna watch some Netflix and go to bed and probably get out of Quartzsite tomorrow.
Yep.
We will see you guys next time.
And thanks for watching.
Hey. Chloe just ran outside. I think she wants to go.
She never does that.
What is going on, Chloe? Huh? You want to go for a ride? Huh? I don't know. Think we can do it?
No, I don't think. Not all three of them. That's crazy.
You can't hold the dogs? Oh. I don't know. Here, hold that.
Crazy.
Might have seen something in there.
I don't know.
Oh, she started to claw me though. Yeah, Chloe's not going for a ride. She got close to it and about clawed me. I think she's trying to bite my shoulder.
Crazy.
Yeah. We're gonna go with that.